Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So here I'm going to start to analyze in a daily chart. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance on December 30th after testing a high at the levels of $4.202, and from here a sharp selling was seen, which resulted in closing by natural gas futures at the levels of $3.926. So friends, here I find that the level of $4 will provide stiff resistance in case of any upward move. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures continue to slide from the levels of $4 what they tested on December 31st. Since then we have seen a slide to continue up to last Friday. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures closed the week at the lowest of $3.354. Here you can see that how this closing is well below the 20 days moving average, which is currently at the lowest of $3.381. So here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to defend the immediate resistance at the lowest of $3.561, we'll see this fall to continue, where the next support can be seen at the levels of $3.211, where the 50 days moving average will provide some bounce back from here. As here you can see that the next support will be seen at the 100 days moving average. In case of a steep downward move, natural gas futures could find a significant support at the 100 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $2.955, and the final support can be seen at the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $2.688. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week well below the levels of $3.354, we'll see this fall to continue, and here I find that this fall could continue up to January 21st, when the President-elect Donald Trump will join on January 20th. So friends, here I find that the traders are looking for the final policy decisions on energy front, as the Trumps favor the use of fossil fuel that could resist the natural gas prices from going upward. So friends, here I find that till then the natural gas futures could remain in bearish pressure if the natural gas futures are not able to defend the significant support at 50 days moving average in a daily time frame. This will keep the downtrend intact up to the major support at the levels of $2.686. So friends, now let us have a look at the movements of natural gas futures in 1 hour time frame. So friends, here you can see that how this slide continued after the formation of this bearish crossover in an hour time frame. So here you can see that how the 50 days moving average has come below the 100 days moving average, along with 9 days moving average and the 20 days moving average. They have also come below the moving average. 50 days moving average finds a big down well below the 200 days moving average. This confirms a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures could start the upcoming week below the levels of $3.282. And here I find that if the natural gas futures find stiff resistance above the levels of $3.462, we'll see this downtrend to continue, as here the formation of this bearish crossover will keep the bearish pressure intact. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.